In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok streaks not working. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your TikTok application is updated to the latest version. So you want to go to the App Store or the Play Store and search for TikTok. Now from here, tap on TikTok and make sure that there is no update button right here. So if you see one, you might as well update your TikTok app first. Now the next thing you want to do is open TikTok. So if the streaks are not working, what you want to do is go to the profile and tap on the three lines icon in the top right and select settings and privacy. Now from here, what you want to do is to select notifications. So if it's not working, maybe the streaks feature is not enabled for you. So just find streaks right here and make sure that it's turned on. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.